Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. A day before yesterday, I told you that the price action of Bitcoin is completing the right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern, and it can move down up to the neckline of that pattern. And this was also my suggested move for my Patreon as well. By the way, if you're not following me there, then I've also shared the link in the video's description to join me on the Patreon. You can find there. It will be also very good support for my channel as well. And now if we take a look at that move, here on the trading view, I posted on the hourly chart, but in my previous video, I showed you this move on the 4-hour chart, because on the 4-hour chart, this move is more firm and clear. Now I'm just playing this chart. You can see that the price action completed the right shoulder and went very close to my target. That was $22,500, and it moved up to approximately $22,600. And from the neckline, it is moved up. Now, in my previous video, in my yesterday's video, I told you that the price action after the formation of this head and shoulder pattern, when it is bounced from here, it has found a very good resistance at $24,200, and that is the resistance of this head and shoulder pattern, and that is also a resistance of this parallel channel that the price action had formed here. Now at this time we can see that on the 4-hour chart, the previous candlestick was closed at $24,106, and now this candlestick is breaking out this channel resistance, or this resistance level of the head and shoulder pattern. Therefore, we can expect, if the price action will break out this resistance of $24,200, then we can have some further rally to the upside. Now, what can be our targets in this situation? For example, if we move back to the hourly chart, then at this time the price action formed this bullish pennant on the hourly chart and broke out the resistance. And if we take the measurement from the tail of this pennant up to the support, and we place it here at the tip of this pennant, then our next target can be approximately up to $25,000 or $25,500. And this is the first confirmation we have received. Even though this confirmation is sufficient to reach at this target, however, I'm looking for another confirmation, and that is the closing above this 4-hour chart. That is above $24,200. And if we switch on the daily chart, then yesterday I told you that we are having a bearish reversal fractal resistance at $24,100. The price action at this time is also breaking out that resistance as well. So if we will have the closing above on the daily chart, that is $24,100. On the hourly chart, that is above $24,200. Then the price action can start the further bullish rally. And on the small time period hourly chart, our next target can be $25,500. However, I'm expecting more once we will have these two closings above the resistance levels. However, on the long term, as I've already shared with you, that the price action of Bitcoin has completed this bearish butterfly pattern. Here I have mentioned the bat, but this is not bat. By mistake, I've mentioned here the bat. This is the butterfly pattern, and entered in this potential reversal zone. Therefore, we should be ready that at any time the price action can be reversed from here, and if the price action will break down the $20,000 level, then it can retest the EM at 21. First, it will retest the EM at 10, then it can also retest the EM at 21. That is at $15,700 at this time. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel as well. And if you would like to follow me on the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.